Hi, Mike from GetVoIP. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate the X-Lite softphone to be used with your Nextiva VoIP service. I noticed here and there that people had some problem on the forums, so hopefully this visual will help you out a little bit. Whether you download the X-Lite, the Bria, or the iBeam from Counterpath, the setup I'm about to show you is going to be exactly the same. So if you haven't done so, you can go over to counterpath.com and grab the download from there, but I'm going to assume that a lot of you have already done so, otherwise you probably wouldn't be here. So let me go ahead by clicking Login. I'm going to jump into my Office Manager. Okay, so my company profile shows up on the left side. I'm going to click Sites, Employees, Edit. Scroll down, and then click Edit once again. Now nothing needs to be changed here, but you will need this information. You need this SIP username and the domain. And I've already done so. I've copied and pasted them over to a little sticky note here, so I can quick reference them later. Next step is to go to Devices, add a new device. Bring your own device. The device type is going to be a generic SIP phone. You may or may not have to get in contact with your administrator from Nextiva to enable a generic SIP phone. I suggest you do, so this allows you to put add-ons in later, as I'm about to do right now. So click Continue. Okay, the transaction's been processed. Everything's fine here. I can move on to the next step, which is the Enterprise Admin Login. Now, if you ever wanted to get to this window without clicking through there, you can just type in cp1.nextiva.com. And this will bring you into the portal where you can fine-tune your service a little more. So I'm going to enter the admin portal. Okay, so here I am now. This is stage of history. I can start by clicking Users. Search. If you had multiple users, they would, of course, all appear here, but we are only dealing with one extension. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Call Control. Shared Call Appearance. Now what I'm about to do is make it so my soft phone and my desktop phone are matched and they are dealing with the same number, essentially sharing the same line, shared call appearance. You can start by clicking Add. And this is especially useful too because in case you get a call and you're browsing your computer, you can just go ahead and start chatting on your Bluetooth as opposed to dealing with your phone. So it's already set to generic. That's what you want. For line port, you're going to put in your username and then SCA, which of course stands for shared call appearance. And you're going to change this to that address that you saw before, prod.voipdnsservers.com. Alright, so that's all set up. You can go ahead and click OK. Apply. And click OK once again just to make sure that it's saved. Okay, so you're done here. And you can go ahead and start to set up your X-Lite softphone. Alright, so I've cleared my desktop so you can focus and hone in on this. This is the X-Lite Softphone Setup. You're going to start by clicking Softphone, Account Settings. You'll see I just had that window open. For user ID, you're going to put in that ID that I entered before, which is your username _ SCA, shared call appearance. For domain, you're going to enter this prod.voipdnsservers address. Your password is going to be that number that I grabbed. The authorization name is going to be this number, and so is your password. And you can go ahead and hit the voicemail tab. I've said this before, you're going to want to change this value to *86, your default for Nextiva. And then you can go ahead and click OK. Okay, and just like that, the X-Lite softphone is all ready to go. It's fully integrated. I'm just going to go ahead and make a test call right now. And you can do this too to make sure that your desktop phone rings as well as the soft phone. And that's it, everything's working perfectly. So hopefully this helped you out. This has been Mike from GetVoIP.com. Take care.